Namaskar. Today we are going to speak about arthritis. Arthritis is a very common disease wherein one suffers from stiffness and inflammation in the joints, and there is a severe pain in the joints which increases as the age increases. There are different pranayams and asanas or stretching exercises that one can do to get cure in arthritis. Our teacher shows you how we can practice the Bhastrika Pranayam while you sit in the Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana or the Sukhasana, and you can practice it. You can do the Bhastrika Pranayam for 50 to 100 times daily in order to get the benefits. After the Bhastrika Pranayam, you can do the Ardha Kapalbhati, wherein you can lock your right nostril with your right hand, inhale and then exhale from your left nostril while you contract your belly, and similarly you can do it on the other side. Concentrate on your exhaling, exhale with a force and contract your belly inside. So this is the Ardha Kapalbhati that is demonstrated here. After this, we'll do the Kapalbhati, wherein you can simply inhale and then concentrate on exhaling. With every exhale, you have to contract your stomach inside, and there has to be a repetition of 1 per second. Don't do it very fast or don't do it very slowly. It has to be done on a medium speed. You can also practice the Anulom Vilom to get cure or curing the arthritis. Right now, our expert is showing how we can do the Ardha Anulom Vilom, wherein you can lock your right nostril and inhale from your left and also exhale from the left. Similarly, we will do it on the other side, wherein we will lock the left nostril and inhale from the right, hold it for a few seconds and then exhale from the right itself. This is the Ardha Anulom Vilom that we can do. It has been observed that the lack of synovial fluid in the body causes the inflammation in the joints or the arthritis, which happens normally because of the age factor. The body is not able to properly produce the synovial fluid. So once we do these pranayams, it helps body to regenerate or produce the synovial fluid automatically in the body, which in return helps one get relief from the pain, and also it helps in proper functioning of the joints. Now this is the normal or the simple Anulom Vilom that we do, wherein you inhale from the left and exhale from the right, and similarly inhale from the right and exhale from the left. You can practice all these 3 pranayams to get cure in arthritis. Now after this, we will show you some simple hand and leg exercises that one can do to relieve pain. If you are not able to sit in the Vajrasana as shown in the video, you can simply sit in the Sukhasana and you can do these exercises. This is the wrist exercise, wherein you have to put your hands straight and roll the wrist in the 360-degree angle on the clock and the anti-clock direction. This is another form of wrist exercise, wherein you can close your wrist and make a fist and open the hands. This is another exercise for the hands that you can do. This is a simple exercise where you have to touch your hands on your shoulders and then widen your hands. You can do these stretching exercises 5 to 10 times each. Now this is raising your hands in the upward direction. Now this is one of the shoulder exercises where you can put your hands on the shoulders and open up your complete body. Make sure to widen your arms as much as possible in this exercise, and when you come back your elbows should touch each other. You can do it for 10 to 15 times both ways. This is again a shoulder exercise that you can do. You have to lift your shoulders and roll them in the right direction and in the opposite direction. You can do it for 8 to 10 times in the each direction. All these are very simple stretching exercises in curing or helping people who have arthritis problem. This is another exercise in the flow where you can hold your hands and raise it from behind. You have to pull each hand while holding it with the other hand behind your head. Now this is another neck exercise that you can do simply. You can move your head in the right and the left direction as shown here, in the downward and the upward direction facing the ceiling. And similarly, in this neck movement, you can roll the head in the 360-degree angle in the clockwise and the anti-clockwise direction. All of these exercises which are helpful in arthritis. Now our expert will demonstrate some simple exercise or light exercises for the legs which helps in the arthritis. So these are the exercises that one can do. Who are facing or have issues with arthritis. These are simple leg exercises. You can do these exercises for 10 to 15 times each. This is the exercise in which you can roll your legs, fold it, and try to touch your heel with your lower thigh. You can do it with the right leg 10 times, and then you can do it with the left leg 10 times. Now this is the leg exercise that you can do with both the legs. You have to fold your legs and get them behind. After this, you can relax in this position for 5 minutes, and then you can practice other exercises. So these are the basic few pranayams and the exercise that you can do to get or cure arthritis. Thank you very much for watching this video. Namaskar.